I'm Christian. I'm seeing you in the cocina.
Hey, welcome to Cakes and Conversations. Today you get to meet my good friend Christian. Make some noise for Christian right now.
Hi, Mary.
Just saying hi. All right, it's going to be a good day. We'll see you in the kitchen.
My name is Christian John Rogers. I'm from John's Peak. I am 21 years old.
Today in the kitchen, Christian and I are going to make a Rice Krispie cake, and I'm super excited about it. Doing something I've never done before. Tell them what we're going to make today.
Okay, I'm making Rice Krispies.
Yeah, and what's it going to look like?
A big giant cake.
Yeah, let's get a little more specific.
Yeah.
Big giant cake in the shape of a what?
A guitar.
Yeah, we're going to make an electric guitar. Do you play guitar?
Oh yeah.
Do you sing too?
Oh yes.
Oh yeah, might be.
Time, yeah.
Oh yeah. When did you graduate from high school, Christian?
Northview High School. From graduation.
Yeah. Was it exciting to graduate?
Yes.
Yeah.
And the babes too. They love me.
All the babes were at graduation?
Oh yeah.
All right, it's game day, baby. We're gonna start off with some butter. I need you to cut me 4 tablespoons of butter. You ever done that before?
Oh yes.
All right. Do you know what? Yeah, you're smart. I know you're smart. Hey man, go ahead and cut me 4 tablespoons. Count them out. Yeah, you already knew. This guy, good in the kitchen. He can sing. He can dance. He can play guitar. It might take him a while to cut a stick of butter, but man, this guy right here, he's got all the cards in the deck. Now listen, just tender on the butter. That's what I'm talking about. All right, you want to throw one of those in here?
Yes.
All right, go for it.
Let's do that though, yeah.
All right. Hey man, you just tell them what we're doing. This is your show.
Oh, okay, this is my show.
Yeah. So go ahead and tell them in the kitchen.
Baby.
Yeah, hey baby.
I love you.
Okay. I didn't know this was the dating game. I thought this was Cakes and Conversations. If you could have a job anywhere, where do you want to work?
McDonald's. I want to cook food.
All right, we melted down the butter. You want to throw in some marshmallows?
Oh yes.
We're going to drop in about 16 ounces of marshmallows right now into 4 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to take a commercial break because at this rate,
I could either.
Yeah, we're just going to let them soak.
There.
Okay, we're going to need them all in there.
Okay. Oh yeah. There.
Hey man,
There.
you go ahead. Wait, we're going to still need a few more.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay.
There it is.
All right, you feel good about that?
Yes.
Yeah, me too, but we're going to need all those.
Okay.
There we go.
All right,
Okay. I got an idea.
Bam.
Bam. I got an idea.
Yeah.
Why don't you pick up that bowl and just pour them in?
Okay.
Okay, we back. If Iron Man and Hulk got in a fight, who would win?
So, I think Iron Man is winning by Dr. Banner.
Yeah.
From Adventures. Superheroes.
We want to mix them up because when every marshmallow is covered in butter, it's delicious. So here, you want me to show you how I do it and then you do it?
Yes.
All right, so I stick my hands in here and I get them all mixed up like this. Now the butter's a little bit warm. Well, hey, don't be trying to steal my marshmallow.
No.
No. So I mix them up like this. Butter's a little warm, but you want to get them all the way in there. Get after it.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go. You want to push them down to the bottom because the butter's on the bottom. Okay. You kind of like it. What's it feel like?
Glue.
Glue?
Yes.
Yeah, a little bit. That's why it's going to actually work as a glue when we put it in there. Why don't you drop some of this in there?
Okay. I am on it.
You're on it. I know you're on it. I'm just here helping you. You're the boss of this kitchen. Get a little bit on your finger there. Just go ahead and squeeze it in. Little tender touch on there. Pro tip, if it ain't coming out like you want, give it a little tap tap. Sometimes I hold the bowl up high because down low it's a little bit warm. Go ahead. You don't have to be nice with it. Just if your heart were like a gas tank, would you say it's full right now?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, heart's full.
Well, I say it, yeah.
Yeah, I say so too.
All right, yeah.
How you feeling about that right there?
Amazing.
It does look amazing. You a pretty good cook?
Yes.
What kind of things do you cook?
I cook hamburgers though. Some meat and cheese and French fries and wiping tables too. And that's it.
Are you a hard worker?
Yes, sir. I am.
All right, so here's what we're gonna. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna kiss the box. I think that our guitar might be a little pink, but do you like this color?
Yes.
Yeah, it's electric guitar. It don't matter. This guy, he's manly. He's already thrown out his game. Yeah, go ahead and pour some of that in.
All right.
Well, you gonna reach in there and just do it one by one? We're gonna be here all day, brother. You're gonna have to pour that box. Okay, okay.
There.
I got an idea. I got just a crazy idea. Pick up this box and pour it like that. Yeah. You're thinking outside the box. You're looking for an employee who thinks outside the box. Literally, Christian's thinking outside the box today.
There.
How about a little more? How about a little more? I know it doesn't seem like it. That's good. That's okay. That's a yeah. I like your little bit more was almost twice as much.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what you get, huh?
Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jesus, for that strength to do that. I'm gonna teach you something. You ready?
Yes, sir.
When I stir it, I push it down. I want you to push it down so that they don't all come flying out. You ready?
Like that.
Yeah. I don't even know if they got wings, but you give it a shot. Push it on down there and while I stir it. Do you cook much in your kitchen?
Yes.
What kind of things do you cook?
They're like
Pastas,
Oh, yeah.
tacos,
Okay.
and pizza.
Oh, yeah. Which one's your favorite?
Pepperoni.
Yeah.
Pepperoni pizza?
Oh yeah.
Pretty sure I had pizza the last 3 nights for dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's already looking like a 4th night's in the future.
That's like what my father does too.
Yeah, yeah. Now sometimes that's what dads do. We like to have what we call 4th meal. Yeah, okay. Hey, that's how you get a dad bod.
Yeah. Dad bod.
Yeah. Are you pretty strong?
Yes, I am now.
Yeah, just now?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, yeah. Invite Christian to the kitchen. The theme of our day has been, I ain't in a rush. How do you say Backstreet Boys in Spanish?
Muchachos.
Favorite Backstreet Boys song?
I went that way.
Yeah.
Well, tell me why.
Yeah. Tell me why. Yeah.
Yeah, well, tell me why.
Yes.
Yeah, ain't nothing but a heartache.
Yes.
Yeah, but tell me why.
I went that way. Yeah.
Yeah, no. Ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why.
Yeah. Tell me why.
Yeah, I never want to hear you say what.
Wow.
Or I want it that way. I'm halfway embarrassed I knew the words. Hey, welcome to the Kings Games. Today in the kitchen, Christian and I are having a little guitar playing. It's a face-off. It's a playoff. So what we're going to do, we're going to let you decide at home. Who's got the mad skills on the guitar? All right, my man, take it away with your electric. Okay, what else you got? Okay, is it my turn?
Yes.
Is this what you're playing?
Yes.
Okay, and it sound like this? Like that?
Yeah.
No, I missed it. Show me again. Yeah, but this one we're going to let it harden a bit.
Yeah.
Kind of like your muscles. Yeah, okay. You just kiss
it though.
Yeah. Most people kiss their bicep. You just went ahead and kiss your forearm like you got Popeye forearms.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Alrighty.
Hey, you want to give it a taste test?
Yes.
You can hold it.
Taste.
Yeah. Let us know how we doing. Give it a shot. What do you think?
Good.
Well, you haven't eaten it yet.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
We look good. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's good though.
Yeah. You do you. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes, sir.
Right here, blow it up. That's right, baby. Making it happen. Can you tell me 3 words that describe you?
Yes. I have 2 hands and 5 fingers and 2 feet. Like my shoes.
Spot on.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. You know exactly what I was talking about.
Alright.
Remember we're talking the camera right there? We see the camera.
There.
All right, you know what to do.
Yes, sir.
What do we do now?
Microwave.
We'll do it.
And from my love, yeah.
Yeah, for your love.
Yeah.
Okay. What's next?
Marshmallow time.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, thank goodness we got the whole bowl this time. We learned our lesson? No? Okay.
I love lessons. Yeah.
You love lessons?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I know. Who?
Each person's got their own technique. Steve Jobs didn't come up with an Apple phone by making a BlackBerry.
Yeah.
Yeah, he thinks-
Blackberries.
Yeah, thinking outside the box. This, my friends, is not just outside the box. It's outside the bowl thinking. It's good to be back. All right, what's next?
The microwave.
Not yet. What's next? What do we got to do with those first? Before, yeah. You know what to do. This ain't your first rodeo. The hot butter's on the bottom so you can push them down if you want. Push them into it. Yeah. They work like a sponge. Hey, what's next?
Microwave.
Microwave. Here it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hit start when you're ready. All right, let's wash our hands. Let's drop in a little bit of brown to make the guitar look a little bit more like a guitar. Okay, I like the one-hand click you got working there. Now we just need that's good. You went to a Backstreet concert, is that right?
All the time. Yeah.
All the time, okay. What about Neil Diamond?
Neil Diamond.
Yes. Journey?
Yeah. Journeys.
Aerosmith?
Aerosmith too.
Def Leppard?
I love leopards. Yeah.
I feel like you and I might be talking about a different Def Leppard. Let's pour in. We're not going to need as many as we did last time because we didn't use as many marshmallows.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about we pour it in? How about instead of that, we just like tilt the box in?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Go the box.
You tilt the box. Go tilt the box. Okay. Here we go. Keep going. I'll tell you. Keep going. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Who's your favorite Backstreet Boy?
I like Brian though.
Brian?
Oh yeah.
I don't even know who that is.
Brian Little. Yeah.
Yeah. Does he have some good dance moves?
Oh yeah.
Show me one right now. We're like a boy band.
Yeah.
Is it true you took hip hop?
Oh yeah. So like, my mom teach me that too.
Your mom taught you? Maybe you ought to get your mom on camera. Have her do some dancing.
Yeah. Right? She said.
Shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to get married one day?
Someday, yes.
Yeah.
Someday I'll be a father. Someday.
It's game time. Eat time. It's eat time. That's what we're going to call this session. Welcome to eat. That's it? Get you some. So, am I going to get some too? What do you think? Did we do okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I think we did great. Some people like to just go ahead and eat while you're creating. This might end up being like a mandolin by the time we're done. Or a violin. Did you more just come because you wanted to eat the creation? Okay. At least we're honest also in the kitchen. Can you take a break from eating, or can you keep creating, or what we're gonna do here? Most people don't like to lick their fingers and then touch the creation. But when you're taking it home and eating it yourself, it's like food security. Hey, Christian's busy right now eating, so he can't say this, but if you're liking what he's got working right here, will you hit that like button and let him hear from you? You can comment below the YouTube video and let us know who is your favorite band. This guy's rolling with Backstreet Boys, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but maybe you've got a favorite band, a favorite guitarist. And if you want more videos like Cakes and Conversations, you can hit the subscribe button and that bell next to it. All you do, if you click on that, it'll send you notifications when we send out more videos, and there'll be plenty more coming your way. I'm gonna put some strings on this guitar. We're using Twizzlers. You like Twizzlers?
It's hindering.
It's on you.
You're,
Feel good?
feeling good.
Hey, we did it. We finally made our guitar. Tell them about it.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Yes.
You gonna eat it later?
Later.
Yeah. I feel like you've eaten about half of it while we've been making it.
Yes.
Yeah, but you don't care.
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, this guitar is beautiful. And every creation we believe is beautiful, and everyone deserves to be treated like royalty. So let's start treating. We'll see you in the kitchen. If you want more videos like Christian's, you can click one of the two videos over to the side. Again, hit that subscribe button, the like button, leave a comment below, and leave a shout out for my man Christian because he killed it today in the kitchen.
All right. I did it. And clap.